Welcome to my channel. Here are a few beginner-friendly yoga poses to get you started. Mountain pose for grounding and alignment. Downward facing dog to stretch and strengthen. Child's pose for relaxation. Warrior eye for strength and balance. Tree pose for balance and focus. Bridge pose for back strengthening. Cat-cow pose for spinal flexibility. Triangle pose for stretching and opening. Cobra pose for gentle back bends. And corpse pose for relaxation and restoration. Remember to practice at your own pace and consult with a yoga instructor for proper guidance. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Corpse pose. Corpse pose, also known as Savasana, is a deeply relaxing and restorative yoga pose. It involves lying on your back with arms by your sides, palms facing up, and legs extended. The purpose of this pose is to promote deep relaxation, release tension, and cultivate a state of calm and stillness. It allows the body and mind to fully surrender and integrate the benefits of your yoga practice. Corpse pose is often practiced at the end of a yoga session or as a standalone pose for meditation and deep relaxation. It provides a rejuvenating and peaceful experience for both beginners and experienced practitioners alike. Number 9. Cobra pose. Cobra pose, also known as Bhujangasana, is an invigorating backbend in yoga. Start by lying on your stomach, placing your hands beneath your shoulders, and pressing the tops of your feet into the mat. As you inhale, slowly lift your chest off the ground, keeping your arms slightly bent. Draw your shoulder blades together, elongate your neck, and gaze forward. Cobra pose helps strengthen the back muscles, improve posture, and open up the chest and shoulders. It also stimulates the abdominal organs and promotes flexibility in the spine. Practice Cobra pose with mindfulness, honoring your body's limits and avoiding any strain or discomfort. Number 8. Triangle pose. Triangle pose, or Trikonasana, is a powerful standing pose that offers a deep stretch and strengthening benefits. Begin with feet wide apart, one foot turned out, and the other foot slightly angled. Extend your arms out to the sides, then reach forward and hinge at the waist, placing one hand on your shin, ankle, or the floor, while the other arm extends upwards. Triangle pose stretches the hamstrings, hips, and groins while strengthening the legs and core. It opens the chest, lengthens the spine, and improves balance and flexibility. This pose stimulates digestion, relieves backaches, and promotes a sense of expansion and stability. Embrace triangle pose to explore your body's range of motion, find balance, and create a sense of grounded energy. Number 7. Cat-cow pose. Cat-cow pose, also known as Marjaryasana Bittilasana, is a gentle and flowing movement that helps to warm up the spine and increase flexibility. Begin on all fours with hands beneath the shoulders and knees beneath the hips. As you inhale, arch your back and lift your tailbone, allowing your belly to sink towards the floor, creating the cow shape. As you exhale, round your back, tuck your tailbone, and draw your belly button towards your spine, forming the cat shape. The alternating movement between the two poses gently stretches and strengthens the spine, improves posture, and releases tension in the back, neck, and shoulders. Cat-cow pose also helps to massage and stimulate the abdominal organs, promoting digestion and relaxation. Number 6. Bridge pose. Bridge pose, also known as Setu Bandhasana, is a rejuvenating and back-strengthening yoga pose. Start by lying on your back with knees bent, feet hip-width apart, and arms alongside your body. As you inhale, press through your feet, engaging your glutes and lifting your hips off the ground. Keep your shoulders grounded and interlace your fingers beneath your pelvis, pressing your arms down for support. Bridge pose opens the chest, stretches the front body, and strengthens the back, buttocks, and legs. It also helps relieve stress and anxiety, improve digestion, and stimulate the thyroid gland. Practice with awareness and listen to your body's limits. Number 5. Tree pose. Tree pose, or Vrikshasana, is a balancing yoga pose that cultivates stability and focus. Begin by standing tall with feet together and arms at your sides. Shift your weight onto one leg. Then place the sole of the opposite foot on the inner thigh or calf, avoiding the knee joint. Find your balance and bring your hands together at your heart center or extend them overhead like branches. Tree pose strengthens the legs, improves balance, and enhances concentration. It also promotes alignment, stability, and a sense of grounding. Explore this pose with patience and allow your body to find its own unique balance. Number 4. Warrior Eye. Warrior Eye, or Virabhadrasana Eye, is a powerful standing pose that cultivates strength, stability, and focus. Begin by stepping one foot forward into a lunge position, with the back foot angled slightly outwards. Keep your hips squared and your front knee directly above the ankle. Extend your arms overhead, palms facing each other. Warrior Eye strengthens the legs, opens the chest, and improves balance and posture. It also stimulates the core, stretches the hip flexors, and promotes a sense of empowerment. With its grounded stance and upward-reaching arms, Warrior Eye embodies a warrior-like quality, instilling a sense of confidence and resilience. Find your inner strength and embrace the warrior within. Number 3. Child's Pose. Child's Pose, or Balasana, is a gentle and restorative yoga pose that provides a moment of relaxation and introspection. Begin on all fours, then sink your hips back towards your heels, allowing your forehead to rest on the mat. Extend your arms forward or alongside your body, palms facing up. Child's Pose releases tension in the back, shoulders, and neck, while gently stretching the hips, thighs, and ankles. It promotes deep relaxation, allowing you to connect with your breath and find inner calm. This pose is often used as a resting posture during yoga practice, providing a sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. Child's Pose symbolizes surrender, nurturing, and self-care, offering a safe space to let go and find solace. Number 2. Downward Facing Dog. Downward Facing Dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana, is a foundational yoga pose that offers a full body stretch and strengthening benefits. Start on all fours, then lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Press your palms into the mat, keeping your arms straight, and actively engage your legs, drawing your heels towards the floor. Downward Facing Dog stretches the hamstrings, calves, and shoulders, while also building strength in the arms, shoulders, and core. It promotes blood circulation, lengthens the spine, and calms the mind. This pose is often used as a transition or resting posture in yoga sequences, providing a moment of rejuvenation and connection with the breath. Number 1. Mountain Pose. Mountain Pose, or Tadasana, is a foundational standing pose that embodies strength, stability, and mindfulness. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, grounding evenly through all four corners of your feet. Align your spine, engage your core, and relax your shoulders. Palms can be facing forward or joined at your heart center. Mountain Pose cultivates body awareness, improves posture, and promotes balance. It encourages a sense of grounding and stability while allowing the body to align with the natural flow of breath. As the starting point for many standing poses, Mountain Pose serves as a reminder to stand tall, both physically and metaphorically, with strength and presence. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.